Hello, Mr. Geislard here. Let's take a look at question number 8. Okay, when we're doing this question, what we really need to do, it says student has 12 different math books, 5 different science books, and 13 different engineering books. Find the number of ways to pick 2 books with different subjects. So what we're going to have to do is figure out this using 3 different possibilities. So the first thing I'm going to say is, what if the 2 books he picks are math and science? Or what if the 2 books he picks are a science and an engineering? And then lastly, what if the 2 books he picks are a math and an engineering? So what we're going to do now then is we're going to figure out how many different possibilities there are for math and science, how many for science and engineering, then how many for math and engineering, and then we're going to add those together. So for math and science, that will be 12 times 5. For science and engineering, 5 times 13. And then for math and engineering, that's 12 times 13. So that would be 60 plus 60 plus 65 plus 156. And when you add all those together, you should get 281.